Is edging a worthwhile masturbation practice?
Yeah. Edging is another way that you could work with that, but the troubles with edging is that, or at least when I look at myself, is that you still work towards the peak orgasm. So you still train yourself to maybe push that a little further away so you can longer go on before you have the peak orgasm. But the opposite, so the I would say the tantric masturbation or the tantric sex is a lot more about relaxing into what is there instead of trying to go to that 99.9% to the peak. After you get a lot of practice and you know exactly how to stay away from that, you can start to play with that. I mean, nowadays when I have sex, I do sort of etching while I have sex. We call that orgasm surfing. So you basically try to, well, go as high or as close to the peak orgasm as you can, but stay totally relaxed in that. So then I'm able to get really to, well, 99%. And then that's what I suppose is also edging. But I only started with that after I totally mastered to be totally relaxed, etc. So then I brought back in that edging, and I didn't start with that because I think it's not working that way.